Hello all, we are here for one more lesson of this VariCAD 2016 training course, and in this particular lesson we are going to see about printing. What are the options for do the printing? So to show you these functions, I've opened one of the standard drawings installed with VariCAD, and to show you how to print we need to come to this file menu and option print. We have a couple of options here. I will show you only print to selected printer because the first option, print to system default, it's basically the same, just saying that you can only use one device, which is the default device in your system. Okay, so let us go to print to selected printer. You can choose from the list as a standard Windows program one device. In this particular case, to be able to show you, I will choose this Cut PDF writer to show you the final result, but for sure, usually you use this function to print things to as an output in paper. Okay, so PDF, okay, and you get this big dialog box where you can set all the options for the printing. So first, what to print? You can do current drawing format, and you can use these functions and do the preview. Okay, this purple rectangle shows what will be printed. Defined rectangular printed area, I can choose, for example, by a rectangle, opening this and do the preview. You see, this is what you will get. Or currently displayed zoom, a little different. Or even all visible objects, which is also an option. Then the orientation automatic, okay, the program will choose or not rotate or portrait or even landscape, which is on, in this particular case, no effect, but you can do this as horizontal or vertical format. So automatic, this is the sheet size for the definitions in your system. You can use the maximum possible format. In my particular case for this device is this one. You can choose according to the drawing. I don't have more than that for this device. Or you can choose a format from the list and use it as scales, for example. Okay, it's your own choice. Regarding scaling, you can do without any additional scaling, so it will be printed fitting in your sheet according to these definitions you've done here. You can fit it to the sheet size, so it will have not a defined scale. You must be careful because sometimes people tend to measure it on the paper, and it's important to understand this. Or do it as a scale, and it will be a true scale, but you must be aware that sometimes according to what you are choosing to be printed, some of the entities may be out of your drawing. It's a balance that you must choose. Okay, I will say no additional scaling. Then you have one important thing, which is black and white printing, or you can have first saying this, you can have the thickness to assign to the printed color or to the displayed color. Okay, this is important. This is quite easy to understand because basically you can assign a color and saying whatever I see in this color I will print in this one, and basically this is the idea. And regarding the definition of thickness, you can give different definitions, different thickness to different colors, working always with the same one. I will leave this in black and white, and I will say, I will define something. For example, let me try, we have only 3 or 4 colors here, so I think it will be easy to understand. For example, these are the dimensions. I can leave this in 0.25, it is okay. I don't have anything in red. These are the hidden lines which I can use. For example, I can put 0.25. I can increase this a little, 35. These are the contours of the part, so I can put this a little thicker. And these are the axes which I can, for example, put to have a difference, 0.20. Let us, as an example, let us use this one, the magenta. Just as an exercise, I will leave it also 35. So, okay, and now print, sorry, paper wise, current drawing format, fit to sheet size, okay, then print, and I get one PDF file, save it, and let us open it to see what is inside, and if we see differences regarding the different thickness. And I think it's easy to see that we have different thickness in different kinds of entities. So you'll get the contours more thick than the axis, which in the axis we given 0.2. The contours of the lines were 0.5 and the dimensions 0.25, if I remember correctly. This is thinking, I don't know exactly why, but I think, okay, it is free now. So you see, this without much problem will give you an easy tool to give you a better graphical tool. Even this is not perfect in my example, but I think it's easy to understand that if you define correctly the thickness, you can get a very good looking drawing and clear to read for the users. So basically these are the options to define, to set a proper printing output to the paper, being to a printer or to a plotter, depending on your device, or even a PDF as it was in this example I've shown you.